Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's cryptocurrency video update for Sunday 17th of October. And we've been looking so good so far. We're continuing on with our thing, and yeah, Bitcoin is very golden once again. Now, where do I see my next targets for the future? Where do we go from here now? I think potentially that Bitcoin is gonna form some kind of a bull flag right over here. And if that's the case, if we do make a bull flag in this area right now, then expect that we take the height there, and if it breaks out, you can see we're gonna go nearly to 66,000 if we break in this out of this bull pennant or a bull flag, whatever you want to call it. And let's go on the 1 hour time frame, and let's see if a small history can repeat itself right over here. I just noticed a pattern, a continuation pattern towards the upside, of course. And let's kind of zoom in. So look, right now Bitcoin picked up from here, went sideways a little bit, went down, boom, went sideways a little bit, again up, and I think we're now moving into the sideways just for a little while. And from here you might see another pick all the way towards this area that I've given you, which is 63,000 or 64,000. The price prediction is still in play. Okay, I don't see any big retracements at the moment, but it will be perfectly fine to come all the way down to this level, which is the 58,600 level or 58,800 level. It's completely okay. It's even okay to come to this level. It's completely fine to come to this level as well. Okay, and it's okay, it's cool to come to 54,000 as well. No big issues. But the thing is, I do not see us going all the way down at the moment before or unless we do not reach this area. And personally for me, if I zoom out of this bigger chart that we're looking at, if I don't go on a smaller time frame, if I try to have a long-term view at the moment, then that means that we are moving all the way up to 1.618, and for me my price target prediction is this one. So I do like swing trading. Okay, if you're a swing trader, if a profile, everyone has their own profile. Some people like scalping, going on into the small time frame and trading and doing this such stuff. But my style is to do swing trades. We cross the golden ratio, and my next target becomes the 1.618. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna hold my coins. We come here. This is where I can have some profit taken, and yeah, it goes down for a little bit of retracement, maybe to the 1.272. And basically what's going to happen is the mindset, the psychology of this movement is that, Bitcoin is going to reach 100K. Okay, that's where the 1.618 is, and it's going to have to come down for a retracement, which is the fourth wave. Okay, and people at that moment are going to think, oh no, this is the bear market. Okay, we're entering into the bear market right over here. But that's not going to be the bear market. Maybe this is going to be the bear trap, and we bounce from here and we continue all the way towards this price level here, which for me, of course, is going to be a little bit higher towards the 200,000 region. And from there, Bitcoin, you might see the end of the bull run at this price level. It might be, you never know, you could have a blow off top even up to 300K, who knows. But for me personally, 200K. Okay, and at the moment there's some more charts that I want to talk about. Okay, now this is just a very small Bitcoin update. We're still continuing towards the upside. I don't see any further retracements at the moment, at least for now. Okay, and on a long-term view or a mid-term view, I'm targeting for a 100K. Okay, I'm targeting for 100K. Not a financial advice though, but for me personally, I don't care if it goes down or up. I'm taking the profits here. Okay, now the next thing that I would like to talk about is altcoin in general. Altcoins are now moving. Some of the altcoins are going towards the upside, some of them not so much. So let's look at dominance at the moment. What's Bitcoin dominance doing? So on the 1 hour time frame, guys, something I just noticed on the 1 hour time frame here, and if we go to the 1 hour time frame, there's a potential double top which is forming right over there. Sorry, kind of, I really hate setting up like this. Okay, you have this top and you have this top, and if we actually break from that level, this is like the neckline, that's the neckline. If we break from there, we could come all the way down to 45.28, and that would be really good for the altcoins as well. In general, really, altcoins has to go up a little bit. Now, on a higher time frame, on a weekly time frame, remember, Bitcoin dominance is still looking bullish, okay? But but the way it goes up, we also can't come down. We keep going up, keep going down, keep going up, keep going down, okay? So when this goes down, the altcoins are going to go up, okay? And after some time, when it goes down, it's going to give. When it goes up, then the altcoins are going to have to come down, okay? And for me personally, November is going to play out very, very good for the altcoins. Now, why do I say this? If I go to 2017 bull market, okay, let's talk about the 2017 Bitcoin's bull market a little bit here. And you can see history is repeating itself. We had a September dump right over here, okay? This was a September dump, and the biggest dump happened in 15th of September 2017. Can we compare this one to Ethereum, okay? Because I want to talk, this is very, very important. Now look, September 15, Ethereum also dumped, just as bad as Bitcoin actually dumped, okay? Bringing up this once again to the side, so you can see that September of 15 we had Bitcoin right over here dumping, and Ethereum dumped as well. Where did we came up? $193 is where we dumped. From where? From $405, just for us to go all the way up in a span of 2 or 3 months. But let me tell you one more thing. As Bitcoin was continuing, look, this was went from, sorry, my bad here, from September here, and you can see in October we remained bullish. It was continuing all the way towards the upside. Now what happened at 16th of October is that Bitcoin went almost 80 to 90%, okay, back in 2017. But what did Ethereum do? Ethereum also kind of went from this place until 16th of October. Yeah, 16th of October it went almost 79%, just as Bitcoin did. But there was no too much higher price continuation. I mean, it wasn't making new higher highs, breaking these ones just yet, until we didn't enter November. Business started picking up in 7th of November, of course. We went for the dump at September, we came all the way up, we had a consolidation, and as soon as we entered 10 of November, that's where you saw the uprise all the way to $1,400, nearly $1,400 for Ethereum. Now you do know that altcoins tend to follow Ethereum. When Ethereum moves up, the altcoins normally start moving up, because I think the king of altcoins right now is Ethereum, and that's what the altcoins are going to follow. Now when we moved all the way to $1,400 right over here, how many days did it take? That's what I want to see right now. So from 7th of November, yeah, from this place, from here to here, it took November of 17 to January of 2018, and that's where Ethereum actually topped up, okay? And I think that you won't see too much increase in some of your favorite altcoins, the popular ones, especially Cardano, Link, Dot. You might see them, but there's more chance to see the uprise of your altcoins during November. And until we do not enter November, for me personally, Bitcoin is not going to move that much. It's not going to move too much into the upwards direction. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see. We're going to have to wait. The dominance is looking to have a little bit of correction if we do make this double top. Otherwise, if it doesn't make a double top, then that's going to be a little bit weird, because what's going to happen is that this is the scenario you could play. Okay, this is a support here. If it respects this support, okay, then what it's gonna do, it's gonna move sideways, come down here, go up, go like this, right, and keep moving upwards or break towards the downside. So that's it for today's Bitcoin update. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with another new video. Thank you so much for supporting. Keep trading, keep grinding and hustling. Thank you so much.